Hey everyone, it's DayJaMona. Welcome back to my channel, and today you're packing with me for my trip. I leave tomorrow in the morning. So excited. I need this vacation. Anyways, if you want to pack with me, see how I pack, then keep watching. DayJaMona, DayJaMona, DayJaMona. So we're starting off. Whew, this is a lot, I know. If you've seen my closet organization, you know why that suitcase is there. But this is the actual suitcase I'm going with. These are my shoes laid out. So I have pretty much everything laid out. Personal hygiene, undergarments, outfits on hangers, bathing suits, sweaters, stuff that's just folded, pajamas. And then that right there, under there, stuff for Quayla. I don't know which bag I'm gonna bring out of these two. That's my weekender. And that's my North Face book bag that I usually carry all my tech in. And I am bringing my laptop. I'm also bringing a book, bringing the camera, my desktop tripod. So I have some things that I want to bring, and I feel like the book bag secures it way more than the weekender. So, you know, you can only have 2 items on the plane. So I don't really know. I'll probably end up just bringing the backpack because it's more convenient, and then my makeup box. So I'm gonna pack all this stuff up into my suitcase, and yeah, I feel like I'm running out of time. I have so much to do today. So I appreciate y'all watching this video. Definitely thumbs up. Give me some packing tips. If you think it's horrendous, comment that down below. And make sure you subscribe. Are you subscribed yet? you should be subscribed. Press that subscribe button, join the crew, join the conversations that we have in upcoming videos. Make sure you click that bell so that way when I do upload a video, you get notified. Thanks again so much for watching. Until next time, much love.